Good morning, peeps. Today's Sunday, and I am on the third week, phase 6. And today I'm going to reconstruct the hair. So today is the reconstruction phase. I just wanted to show it to you. I was supposed to do this process on Friday, but it didn't work out, so I'm doing today Sunday. And this is my day 6. Look, very frizzy, dry, but it's still nice. It still looks good. Like if I would just refresh here, I think it'd still look good. So I'm going to take a shower and wash my hair with this shampoo from Salon Line, which is already good for this phase. It's about reconstruction. So the mask that I use today, it's this one from SOS Hidratação, and it's for the reconstruction, the repair phase as well. And it has egg, keratin, and collage. So it has here, and then all I did was added an egg into it. Yes. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to be applying on my hair, okay? For this phase, you don't really have to detangle your hair because you don't want any breakage or anything. You're repairing, so you don't have to detangle, okay? If you don't want to. So let's do it. And for all of you that doesn't find this mask, you can look for any repair mask, which Diva Curl has one. It's the Deep Sea Repair, so you can use that mask and just add like egg into it. This mask says I can leave it on for literally 3 minutes. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it in for 3 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse it out, and I'm going to do another step that I will show it to you guys. So I have the mask throughout the whole hair. I am just going to, and it smells really good, okay? This mask is really good. So I am just going to just apply a little bit more. Actually, I'm trying to apply the whole thing. Okay. Okay, done. And I am going to put a little clip, and I'm going to put 1, 2 pops. And let's wait 3 minutes. Hi guys, so I just washed my hair. Okay, I rinsed it out the water, so I took the mask out, and then now I'm going to apply the conditioning. But I'm not doing just the conditioning, I'm doing a little solution. I have about 200 milliliters of water, then 50 of the apple cider, and then I applied some of the conditioning that you would like to wash it with. I don't think I put it a lot, so what I'm doing is I'm gonna put a little bit of conditioning on my hand, put it on the hair, and then apply the solution, okay? So after you wash your hair, after you rinse it out, you will feel your hair all like grasp, and it is normal, okay? It's totally normal. So don't freak out thinking that something went wrong, which you didn't. You will feel grasp, dry. It is normal. After I apply throughout my hair, at this point you can detangle if you like. Try to do gentle, okay? Because you don't want breakage. And after I do this process throughout the whole hair, I'm gonna leave it in for 15 minutes, okay? And then I'm just going to rinse it out. Okay, let me finish and I'll come back to style it. Okay guys, so I just rinsed out my hair. And this is my hair. And I'm going to style it because I'm starting to be late, because we are going to praise the Lord. And I still have 2 kids to get ready. I like the way it looks, and it's really shiny. You see? So I am going to use the multi, which I love the results last time. I love it. And it's multi, literally. You can pre-shampoo, co-wash, condition, and leave in. It's everything. And I'm going to use this gel. It's actually used for the day after. Do you see? Day after. But I'm gonna try to use it today as a like styling. Let's see. It has avocado, bepanthenol, and also girasol. I forgot to say sunflower. So I'm going to use this today, okay? So this is the combination. So first the multi. I'm going to apply throughout the whole hair, and then I'll come back to apply the gel. Okay guys, so I already applied the multi. This side of the hair is done, and I'm going to apply the jelly the day after, which I'm doing as a day of. It has avocado oil, sunflower oil, and D-panthenol, which is the D-pentyl, and it's very slippery. It's very good. So here I am going to do the twist. Because I'm still transitioning here, because it's the only place that I actually put chemical on my bangs. Now I'm going to diffuse. I'm going to diffuse and I'll come back. I just wanted to show you guys the results. And that's it. There is cast, so I will wait until it dries 100% and then I can break the cast. I'll get an oil and just do a little breakage. Okay, so this is it.